The constant a is such that the integral from 1 to a of x squared ln x dx equals 4. Show that a equals. So we're gonna have to integrate x squared ln x. So to integrate x squared ln x, we're gonna have to use the integration by parts formula in the MF19. If you want to simplify the formula, just cancel out the dx. We have the u dv, so integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. So we use this form usually, uv minus integral v du. Now we need to identify the u and the dv. So for this kind of questions, we have to set the u to be ln x and the dv to be x squared dx. Okay, this is because it is easy to differentiate ln, but it's hard to integrate ln, and it's not in the MF19 formula anyway. Okay, so be careful with the u and dv, which one is u, which one is dv. So since the u is ln x, the du dx, the derivative of u with respect to x, so the derivative of ln x with respect to x is just 1 over x. We have this formula. Okay, it doesn't work the other way around. If you integrate ln x, of course you do not get 1 over x. So now we multiply both sides by dx, so we get du equals 1 over x dx. So now we have u, we have du. Now for the dv is x squared dx, so you integrate both sides. The integral of dv is the same as the integral of 1 dv. The integral of 1 dv is v, just like the integral of 1 dx is x. The integral of x squared is, using this usual formula here, we have x cubed divided by 3. So we have everything we need. We have the v as well. So we replace the u with ln x and the v with x cubed over 3, the v again, the du with 1 over x dx. The integral is from 1 to a, and it's supposed to be equal to 4. So now we simplify. Here we have 1/3 x cubed times ln x, and we have minus 1/3, and x cubed times 1 over x is x squared. We still have to integrate x squared, which is again just like this. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3, and if we simplify, this is minus 1 over 9 actually. So we replace the x with a and then with 1 and then subtract. So replace with a, this is what we get, and replace with a, we have 1 over 9 minus 1 over 9 a cubed, and then we replace with 1 with 1 with 1. And you cannot use a calculator for the whole thing because you'll get something in decimals, so not exact. We're gonna have to do it manually. Anyway, there's an a, so this is, yeah, there's nothing we can do for this term here, these two terms. Now for this guy, you can use a calculator because ln1 is actually 0, so this whole thing is actually 0. We have only the minus 1 over 9. Yeah, 1 cubed is 1, so just minus over 1 over 9 times minus plus 1 over 9. Okay, and then we can multiply both sides by 9 here. So we multiply everything by 9. I mean here we multiply by 9. So when you multiply, you get 3 a cubed ln a, multiply, you get 1 a cubed, multiply, you get 1. On the right, multiply, you get 36, and subtract 1 from both sides, you get 35 on the right. And then we factor out a cubed. We still have 3 ln a minus 1, and then we divide both sides by the brackets, and we take the cube root. So this is what we need to prove. All right, I'll see you guys.